Welcome to your meditation. Breathing in compassion for self and breathing out compassion for others. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into a comfortable position. You may sit quietly or lie on the floor. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open, allowing the spine to lift and the shoulders to soften. Today we will practice compassion. Begin by taking a full breath in and a long breath out. And again, taking a nice long deep breath in and a long slow breath out. Allow your body to settle. Allow your body to relax. Then allow the breath to find its natural rhythm. Let's start by inviting compassion for ourselves. As human beings, we all have moments of difficulty, challenge of suffering. Take a moment to acknowledge the difficulties you've experienced or are experiencing now in your life. It may help to think of a specific difficulty, or you can keep it general. Now imagine someone you know who cares about you. It can be someone present in your life now or from the past. It can be a dear friend, family member, or a teacher. Or it can even just be the general idea and feeling of a caring person. Now imagine this being responding to your difficulties with warmth and understanding. Allow yourself to receive their warmth and understanding. Their wishes for your well-being and happiness. Allow their care and concern to fill your whole body and mind. As you breathe in compassion for yourself. You may also want to say some words to yourself, such as, "May I be well. May I be healthy. May I find the resources that I need to pass this difficulty." As you breathe in, you can think of yourself as breathing in this compassion for yourself. Taking it in and really letting it sink into your body and mind. Now bring to mind someone you know who is having a difficult time. It could be someone at work, someone in your personal life, someone you care about. Bringing this person to mind, along with the awareness that they're struggling right now. Now let yourself feel what you would wish for them. You may wish them health, happiness, contentment. Or it may not be specific words, but more of a general feeling. General wish for their well-being. Imagine them receiving this compassion. Now, if you're able, you may want to expand your wish of compassion more widely to anyone experiencing difficulty or pain. You may say to yourself, "May their suffering be relieved. May they be well." As you breathe out, breathing out compassion for others. And even if you're not able to connect directly with feelings of compassion, just bringing kind awareness to whatever it is you may be experiencing right now. Breathing in compassion for myself, breathing out compassion for others. Again, breathing in compassion for myself. Breathing out compassion for others. Now letting the words go, returning to awareness of the body, settling on the breath. Notice how you feel right now. any sensations in the body. Particularly around the face, the head, the heart, the chest, and the belly. As you continue noticing what's happening in your body, you may now slowly open your eyes. Stretching your body as needed. Returning your awareness to where you are. As you come to the end of your meditation, take your time sitting up, feeling refreshed, and going about your day. Namaste.